Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Motanber glass teapot. These can be used on a stove pot or stovetop or a microwave. Super cute here. It's got like a, what is this, like a bamboo handle here? Something like that. And a little glass teapot. That's really cool. So this comes with a little diffuser as well. So you can put loose leaf tea in there, such as dandelion or whatever. Put that right in there. And it also has this little glass top here. Have little holes in there too, so you can just boil it right away. And look at that, isn't that cute? Anyways, let's go make some tea. Enough messing around, we'll see how this thing works. Okay, my friends, hello, and here we are. Boiling away. So I did put some dandelion leaves in there as well as a Lipton tea bag. So this could be placed in your microwave as well if you want. So we're about done with that. So even though it's got plenty hot, this little handle keeps me safe from the heat, and it pours nicely. Look at that. I'd say it works fairly well. So if you're looking for a cute little teapot to make your teas in, or you could probably even throw some coffee in there if you like. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.